Hi, 2J families. Welcome to an exciting year in second grade. I'm looking forward to getting to know you all better through the year. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of our classroom website. This year, we've decided to go with a big top circus theme in our classroom. And so that's what I have designed the theme for this website to be. So if you take a look at the homepage, you can find a welcome note from me. It's a picture of my family. And ways to contact me, you can find me here on email, and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. And if you really need to get a message to me quickly, you can always call the school office at the number listed below. Across the top here, you'll see different tabs, including our schedule. So if you're ever wondering what time's lunch or when does my child have PE, if they forgot their PE shoes, you can check out our classroom schedule right here under this tab. We'll have our weekly newsletter listed under this third tab. I don't have anything there now, but information will be coming on Friday. Also on the home page, or from the banner, you can find the homework page, and I'll have that listed here every week. You'll be able to see what's due. This page will also be coming home in your daily folder, so if you miss it there, or if you want to kind of see what's coming up this week ahead of time, you can always check in here on our website. Also included is the snack chart. If you're anything like me, you'll be at the store wondering, is it my snack week? Do I need to send snacks in? So this will be a quick way to just take a look and see if you are on the schedule. This next section will be different pictures we'll be taking throughout the year when we're working on fun activities in the classroom or kind of highlighting superstar students. And finally, we have some resources that we use on a regular basis in our classroom, including Brain Pop Junior and Spelling City. Spelling City is a great site to go to for your kids to independently practice their spelling words. And they'll be listed there under the story each week. And then finally, we also use Math Playground very often. And this is a great place to go to work on math skills. So please be sure to let me know if you have any questions. Remember, my contact information is here on the homepage, and I look forward to a great year.